Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another Arc Garage video. Today I'm gonna show you how you can start up your Alfa Romeo Giulietta with a key code card. So in which cases is the emergency startup useful? Well, if you have any problems with your key because there is a transponder chip inside, if you have a issue with the antenna which is located right here, which reads out the code from the transponder chip, or if you have any problems with a module in charge of the immobilizer system. Now on older Alfa Romeo cars, all you would need is this code card. You can see that the code here is 43312. Now if I try to start the car, you can see that the immobilizer icon is on and I can't start the car. There is actually a procedure. All you gotta do is press on the gas pedal all the way and wait till the check engine light goes out. Now when I let off the gas pedal, I'm gonna let the check engine light flash 4 times for the first number, and I'm gonna press it again. When it flashes 4 times, the check engine light is gonna disappear again. I'm gonna let off the gas pedal, it's gonna flash again for number 3 times, and I'm gonna do the same thing for the rest of the numbers. So here goes the first number, 1 2 3 4, and I'm pressing on the gas pedal. It's gonna disappear. I'm gonna let go, let it flash 3 times. I'm gonna press it again. I'm gonna let it off again. So I'm pressing it again for number 3. Then we got 1 and 2. So that's 1. And we need 2. Now you can see when I let off last time, it's gonna start flashing fast, and now I can start the car. Now you can see that the immobilizer light is on. However, you will be able to take your car to the shop to get it sorted out. Now the procedure itself is a somewhat more complicated on Alfa Romeo Giulietta compared to some of the previous models. The main reason for that is that on Giulietta you have to use a diagnostic tool to start up your car. Now to demonstrate this procedure, I'm going to take the circuit board out of the key. Alright, there it is. I'm just gonna put the key back together. Now on this circuit board, this is gonna be our transponder chip, and without this we won't be able to start up the car. Alright, now let's see what's gonna happen if I try to start up the car. You can see that our immobilizer light is on. The car turns over, but of course it will not start. Alright, now let's get our procedure going. I'm gonna select Alfa Romeo from the list. I'm gonna hit automatic selection and read. Okay, and as you can see, the car is selected. I'm gonna wait for the diagnostic tool to connect. Alright, that's it. I'm gonna hit diagnosis, control unit. I'm gonna hit powertrain and engine control module. So here I'm gonna hit special function, and here is the option to start up the car with a code card. I'm gonna hit that one. So as you can see right here, it says engine startup is possible in the event of faulty electronic key or electronic key control unit body computer if present, by using the vehicle's code card. I'm gonna hit OK, and it's asking me for the number. So it's asking me if the code is correct. It is. And now I can actually hear the fuel pump running in the back. It says procedure performed positively, try to start the engine. And now I'm just gonna start it up, and you can see that the car just started without any issues. Now, as you can see right here, even though the car is running, I'm still getting that immobilizer light on the dash. However, you are still able to drive your car normally and get it to the garage to get it fixed without any need to use a tow truck. Alright, one more thing that I want to show you is that this option is not available on the multi-ECU scan. So you can see, if we go over here to the adjustments, we got reset self-learned function, self-adaptation, knock counter reset or boost counter reset, neutral signal learn, performance, limiting deactivation, and speed limit. So we don't have any options here in regard to the emergency startup with the code card. I also checked all of the other modules here and I couldn't find that option. Alright, so I'm not really sure if that is because of the version of the multi-ECU scan that I'm using. So this is 4.7 registered version. Maybe in the later versions you got that option, but I also gotta add that I tried a couple of different diagnostic tools and only the Auto had that option for the emergency startup with the code card. The one thing that I gotta warn you about is that you always want to keep your code card somewhere in the safe spot. You don't want to keep it in your car, but rather in your home office or something like that. Anyway, that would be all for this video. I hope you find it useful. If you did, hit that like button and support our channel by subscribing and by sharing our content with the rest of car enthusiasts.